everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone no sound during calls after iOS 17. Many users are reporting no sound during calls on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Some users also complain that they can't hear people on calls after iOS 17 update. In this video I'll explain how to fix no sound in the calls on iOS running iOS 17 issues. There are a myriad of reasons why you might be experiencing the problem of no sound in calls after running iOS 17. Sometimes it is faulty hardware or a bug in the iOS. Whatever the reasons, the inability to hear a sound on your iPhone is really frustrating. If you cannot hear the person on the other side of the call after a 17 update, do not panic. In this troubleshooting guide, I'll show you how to fix the problem when you can't hear calls on your iPhone running iOS 17. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turn up the call volume. If you're facing the problem of no sound in the calls on iOS running 17, try turning up the call volume on your iPhone. During a call, press the volume up button to locate on the left side of the device to maximize the call volume. If you still can't hear anything, please try to talk through loudspeaker during phone call. If the sound is still unclear, that could be a network issue. And the next step is your iPhone connected to a Bluetooth device. For this, go to settings and then tap on Bluetooth and then tap on its toggle button to disable it. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on shutdown and then slide to power off and wait for a minute and then restart your iPhone again by pressing the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update your iPhone. To update your iPhone, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. If the issue still persists, please reset your network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset network settings, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone no sound during calls after iOS 17 update. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.